Hello, my name is Kathryn from Liquid Grain, and today I am unboxing the Cloth and Paper Stationery subscription box, which is from October 2018. The first thing in the box is the kind of wee thing that comes with every box, which is the Well Hello There postcard, which you might have seen in my September unboxing as well. So while I unbox everything and get it a bit more ready to go, a couple of facts about Cloth and Paper. These boxes are more high-end. They're definitely a little bit more luxury at $38 a box, plus shipping if you are as far away as what I am. But they are quite a nice classic and very minimalist style, which is always quite nice. The big ticket item in this box, and there always is one quite decent item, is this white fountain pen, and it is kind of a very sleek fountain pen, and I'm going to apologise now for the amount of unsleekness and all the faffing about that I do trying to put this fountain pen together. I've left it in just because I thought it was a little bit funny, but it is genuinely quite embarrassing for someone who has a number of fountain pens to struggle this much to put together like a simple fountain pen. But upon reflection, it is actually a very simple piece of kit to put together, and it did also come with 2 disposable ink cartridges and a refillable ink cartridge if that is what you prefer. Eventually in my struggle I actually had to resort to a YouTube video and all sorts, so it was not my finest hour. However, once I finally put it together, I thought let's test this out on the Memo Pad, which was also included in the stationery box. So I also have struggles trying to get into it, but once I'm in, you'll see that although it looks like quite a thick Memo Pad, there isn't that many pages in it. But I'm okay with that because it was very heavy cardstock, which means it's super fountain pen friendly, and also there's no lines or dots, so it really is quite a free notepad for you to just use as you would like, and probably with your kind of wetter pens as you need it. Again, this took me a little bit to get the ink going, but finally I got there, and here's the first test. So I did actually manage to write my own name, which I know probably surprises you with the amount of blunders I've had in this video. But overall it was writing okay, getting enough ink coming out generally, which is good. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, you can. It's at Liquid Grain, and if you're just into the planners, the art, the books, the stationaries, that's Liquid Grain pages. And my blog is liquidgrain.co.uk. So after those scribbles, I sort of decide that it's not quite smooth yet, but ink is flowing. So I think that was the main thing. It wasn't too painful. It was definitely the user errors more than anything. But like I said before, these are really impressive and thick and good quality bits of card, and I would recommend. Next on the agenda were these thank you cards that we received. When I say cards, they're actually more thank you postcards, which are always handy for people. On the front we have in gold foiling some geometric shape and merci beaucoup, and a black and white sort of minimalist design. And I do like the design overall, but I have one design kind of quibble, and that is there's wee white spaces in the top left and bottom right corners of the card, which are just kind of infuriating for me. but I think it's still a nice wee postcard. You know, obviously I'm going to use them. Postcards are always handy to have, especially if they're thank you notes. And although it's a postcard or just a one-sided card, there are envelopes, although they are black envelopes, so I just need to get a white pen. Next up was another post-it note set that we had. If you remember, in September we got post-it notes, and these are very similar. They're Bic printed, custom post-it notes, this time fully lined, and I think this is called the magazine style, which Cloth and Paper do, which have the kind of an issue almost number up the right hand side, which is quite cute, and it's consistent with a lot of other things that they do in the store. So the memo pad was my favourite thing that we received in this box, but my second favourite thing were these kind of reminder cards. These are business cards, size and quality, and there's 3 types. I think you saw them there: inbox, goals and memo, and they're just really handy. I think they're kind of nice and sleek and well designed. They have some lines on the front with bullet points that you can either check off or use as a kind of bullet journal approach to things. But I have these stuck everywhere in my purse, in my planner, and they're just quick if you need to write down a few to-dos or a couple of reminders. And I just think they are really kind of simple but effective bit of design work there, and something that's really got a lot of usability for me. So that is another strong box from Cloth and Paper, and another definitely enjoyable one with some good pieces. Let me know what you think. Did you prefer the September box or the October one?